VQMS, which stands for Vigorous Quality Management System, is a management consulting company towards quality and management. VQMS is a team of highly experienced and acknowledged experts in the field of training, consultation, and outsourcing services for national and international boundaries in Lean Six Sigma, quality and processes management, and other corporate boundaries, that is, corporate governance management. A quality management system, or QMS, is defined as a formalized system that documents processes, procedures, and responsibilities for achieving quality policies and objectives. A QMS helps coordinate and direct an organization's activities to meet customer and regulatory requirements and improve its effectiveness and efficiency on a continuous basis. Implementing a quality management system affects every aspect of an organization's performance. Benefits of a documented quality management system include meeting the customer's requirements, which help to instill confidence in the organization, in turn leading to more customers, more sales, and more repeat business. Each element of a quality management system helps achieve the overall goals of meeting the customers' and organization's requirements. Quality management systems should address an organization's unique needs. However, the elements all systems have in common include: 1. The organization's quality policy and quality objectives. 2nd. Quality manual. 3rd. Procedures, instructions and records. 4th. Data management. 5th. Internal processes. 6th. Customer satisfaction from product quality. 7th. Improvement opportunities. And 8th. Quality analysis. Some of the key features of IATF TS 16949 are: automobile compliance, business improvements or system improvements, credibility, automobile documentation, detection and prevention of frauds, and better planning and budgeting. IATF TS 16949 IATF QMS standards is a quality management standard used globally for automobile industry. It is used to establish and update your automotive organization's QMS. IATF TS is a process standard for automobile industries. It generally helps organizations achieve standards of process quality that are recognized and respected throughout the world. Some of the requirements in IATF TS 16949 standards include a set of procedures that cover all key processes in the business, monitoring processes to ensure that they are effective, keeping adequate records, checking output for defects with appropriate and corrective action where necessary, regularly reviewing organization's processes, performance, and the quality system itself for effectiveness, and facilitating continual improvement for the automobile industry. For further information, you can visit our website www.vqms.co.in and also follow our social media handles. Thank you.